If you are making slip for slip trailing, you might want to sieve your slip. For my personal work, I use clay without grog. At school, I use a clay with grog. You don't want to use a clay body with grog for slip trailing because it will get clogged in the nozzle. This is a really creamy consistency. You could add a little bit of water if needed. I like to use a card. Push the clay through the sieve in order to get out the grog. This does take a little bit of time, so if you have a clay body without grog, you might want to use that for any work with slip trailing. I like to use the same slip for slip trailing as my clay body, so that way I know it has a pretty good fit. Some people will look at deflocculating their slip, but I don't do that for my personal work or in the classroom. When you go to rinse this out at the sink, rinse into a rinse bucket. You really don't want all that sand going down the sink. Now we have very, very smooth slip, and I am going to use a squeeze bottle like this. Squeeze the bottle, you will suck up that slip. This is my favorite applicator for slip trailing. In order to get the slip in the bulb, squeeze the bulb and then suck up the slip from your slip container. Then this metal piece goes inside, and then you can choose between these different sizes of tips.